$179 clock.
I'd give you 20 for it.
And I
You
don't.
you did say you didn't want to bring it in the house.
This is true.
Think how heavy it is too. Let's see. Let's see if I. How about 25? You go. We got. You like pennies? For all these?
No, $2.
How about the keys?
Yeah, I just run out of time. And those are original Disney ones. They're collectibles.
They have it.
Cool.
They have it toddler
Hello.
bed here, yeah.
A toddler bed? Do you need one?
They have it toddler. It's free. It has a mattress and it's $20.
You're buying something.
Not picking them up?
Nah. I'm trying to be a little pickier. They're probably good. $10 for all of them.
Yeah. I'll buy them $10.
Yeah,
I'm not gonna buy.
alright. Go for it.
Yeah.
I was tempted. Go.
No.
You don't
I know what you're trying to do.
No, this
I will take your. Do you have a bag for your stuffed animals?
Yes. Okay. A bag for the stuffed animals.
I'll take all of them.
Okay, but I'm not sure how many.
I think it was 5.
Well, how are we going to get it? I don't know.
Yes, ma'am.
Could you put
$10.
this in your car, please, Sheree? He's looking at.
We have a whole day
Oh,
yard
that's right.
selling
Yeah, we have a whole day
with 2
yard
people.
sale.
Like, I don't know. Can we come back?
Can
like,
we
at
come
the end of
back
the day?
on the way?
You could pay
ma'am,
for it now?
If I pay for it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Sort of give you ones.
That's okay.
But you're
Or
not my.
you could- if we
Believe it
don't
or
have
not,
room,
you're
you
not my
can come
first
back.
person here today. See if that's not
Okay, then
10.
I won't.
All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Perfect.
Okay.
Once I go to yard sale, done yard sale, now I know where to go after this. I got all my $1 bills.
Exactly. Yeah.
I can take, you know.
The only one that's not here is a big one, Grumpy. I have that in my office. I'm a
Oh.
play therapist.
Oh.
And so I have grumpy kids sometimes.
So you use that as a
Right.
visual aid.
Right.
All right.
Being just like Grumpy here.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Thank you.
I know.
You want
Oh,
this
you're
for
cleaning
$20?
up.
That's vintage.
Is that how much is
Yeah.
that?
It's a cool piece. It just has a bunch of stains on the side.
Yeah.
Yes, because it's probably 50 years old.
Yeah.
How
Yeah.
much do you think it is?
Couple bucks.
Couple bucks, I think.
Like $2?
Sure.
That'll work.
I'll take it for $2.
Yeah, no, she's gonna wait on
Oh, she's going to wait on
Mom.
it.
I got $2 on you.
Oh,
Well, someone. I have no money.
Here.
It's all in my van. I should
$2.
probably get my wallet. Okay.
right.
Thank you.
Have
Appreciate
a
it.
good day, okay?
Let me grab my wallet. Good morning.
It's a weird looking cat.
Yeah, really.
Yes. Yes. And that was you sending. I knew someone was sending me that.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Thank you for sending them. But this isn't your house, right? You
It
said.
is.
Oh, okay. It is your house.
It's
How much
all
are your
her-
action figures?
Everything's her stuff.
Oh, her stuff. That's right. Yeah.
She went
okay.
around the corner.
Yeah. So I remember you saying it wasn't you having this the
No,
sale,
it's my
right?
mother-in-law.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh, an eel.
How much are your He has action figures.
How much are these? $3 for the whole thing? Okay.
What's for the Sesame Street piece?
Chip and Dale.
I'll get this for you.
That's Terminator there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. 2 of these.
Oh, we also got C-3PO.
Yeah, I saw that. They have a little. This is cool.
Some men never grow up.
Spider-Man.
Yeah, I'm a
I'm a Toys R Us
an adult
kid.
child.
Yeah.
Who is this? You know who that is?
That's Final Fantasy, isn't it?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Look at you guys.
Do you have any video game stuff? I saw the Final Fantasy. That's why I was curious.
Well, my son was supposed to put some stuff out, but he changed his mind.
He changed his mind.
Yeah, I think because he was working for it.
Yeah.
And they just bought it outright.
He bought it outright.
Yo,
Yep.
check it out, creepy crawlers.
Oh my god.
Remember this?
Yeah.
There's no mold in that though. It's only
Ah.
the-
Oh, just a thing. Is that the original one?
This one is.
No, that's supposed to be a reprint one or later version.
The original was early '80s, right?
I think early
I
90s.
had creepy crawlers when I was a
2007.
kid.
Yeah.
And I had them when I was a kid.
Oh,
You had
really?
them when you were a kid? Well, I know we had them. You got them for me.
Yeah.
What is this thing?
Uh-oh.
You breaking mom?
You break it, you buy it.
A bunch of albums. Alright, I think I'm ready to pay. But yeah, are you gonna go around to the sales yourself? No.
Yeah, they're all Sesame Street ones.
You getting those?
Nah, it's all you for them.
How much are the molds?
The molds, the chocolate molds.
I don't know. I was gonna do like $3 for the whole box.
Like 20 extra, baby.
How much are these?
About 3 and 1.
3 and 1.
Do you have any more Pokemon stuff?
3, 4, 5, 6.
No.
7. And how much are these? I should have known those. Alright, so I'm 7 with these 3 things.
Candy mold.
Did you see this?
Yeah, I saw that. That's actually cool.
7, okay. Got my little fanny pack.
It has the button where the blade will pop back out.
Who would give me that?
If you knew my week, I just
It's a
have it.
switchblade.
Oh, nice. Normally I go get singles, but I've had an insane couple of days.
There you go.
Thank you, I appreciate it. I am the worst, so I ain't great. So we'll
Clear out.
Get some space.
That's cool. Old phone.
How y'all doing?
Good, how are you guys? Morning.
Too darn early.
It is early.
Yeah,
Yeah.
too, right?
Yeah, when I
They've
find
got
it.
a jersey, like a sports jersey over there. I don't know if you saw that.
These
You
are
might be
all,
buying
these
it.
are all stained up.
Yeah.
I know. House seat. Oh wait, is that the house seats? Giants. Pink, that's a Eli Manning.
I didn't know if that's
Yeah.
something that's, it's not in the best condition. $8 too.
Yeah.
Not worth it.
Nah, I wouldn't.
Figured I'd
Good.
show you.
No, good looking out, man.
Oh, the little bike?
Yeah. Yeah, so keep an eye out for stuff like that.
Wow, what is this? Metal cutting bandsaw. You might want to tell your husband about that.
You want it?
You don't need to. There you go.
What is
That's a
this?
t-shirt.
Oh, it's a t-shirt.
Mm-hmm. My dad used to work for Napa. Mom, remember these?
You want it?
He used to get those for free because he worked for them.
Yeah.
This is like the stuff they gave their employees. Is it an actual car or? I can't get them open up.
If I ask him and he wants it, you're going to be sorry.
Where Coca-Cola actual
You'd
different
have to
plate.
come get it.
Oh, this is cool.
You'd have to come get it with his truck. Oh, cool.
Where Coke International.
Dip plate. I could go for some dip right now. That sounds delicious.
Did they make a movie about this? The Coke beer?
They're making a movie. Oh, cocaine bear, yeah.
This is actually cool. How much is the bear?
Oh, $3.
Super stuff.
It was from the probably the early 70s. I had all kinds of Coke this morning.
Did you?
I sold glassware and
I bet.
big platters.
Oh, this is cool.
and all kinds of stuff.
No, I'm taking it.
Did you guys work for the?
My mother retired from Coke,
I was gonna
and
say.
that's why I've got all this.
How much is that?
$1.
$1. Cool. A little keychain for $1.
Coke stuff. That box is really
I know. I said the same thing.
I researched all of her stuff. Like I said, I sold a bunch of it this morning.
Oh yeah.
And I could not find anything about the box.
Yeah, that's unique.
Absolutely
for sure. Yeah,
nothing
I like
anywhere. And everything else you find.
Very cool. You buying stuff?
Yeah, I think I might buy this old stuffed animal. Oh, this is cool. See this?
Yeah. Like a vintage.
Oh,
Oh, cool.
that's a cool jacket.
You gonna try it on?
No.
Yeah, it feels free. Doesn't feel like it serves much of a purpose. As
No.
far as warm.
I feel like you would smoke a cigarette and this would just catch on
No,
fire
I'll
and
just
just
take the
burn
price
up.
tag off anybody asks.
Yeah.
Harley jacket.
That's a cool
Yeah.
That car is cool.
Yeah.
That's a pretty cool
How much
car.
is your camel jacket?
I put 20 on it. I don't know what it's worth.
It was
really.
free, you
But
just
make
said.
well, I know, but that was a long time ago. I had to buy the cigarettes
Oh, true, yeah.
back
Yeah,
when I
All those
smoked.
cigarettes, and now, you know, we're
Back when I
suffering the
smoked 40
copy.
years ago, right?
yeah.
Right.
A long, 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 long time. How many years?
At least 35 since I quit.
You selling your Harley jacket?
Yeah.
How about the Harley?
Yeah.
There you go.
If you ask me, they're for sale. If you ask my husband, maybe not.
Yeah, I gotcha.
He's got a pooch or poop or whatever you call it back there. And that
Yeah.
one's a 59 Harley Hummer.
Pretty cool.
They're all old. Like
This is a
him.
cool box,
Yeah,
man.
man. I'll tell you what, I'll offer her 5, and then you'll be in a good position to negotiate realistically. I'll lowball her, and then she'll feel good about your offer.
I go 6.
All right, so we'll go down to 20.
Would you do 20 for these 3?
All right.
It's a lot better than 5.
There you go.
I don't want to take anything back in the house.
Yeah, you get to that point in the day, don't you?
I had to clean out my mom's house, and that's where a lot of this came from. That was $179.
Really?
A week before my stepdad died. He collected all that wolf stuff.
Majestic.
And,
You're kind of like a majestic creature yourself.
yeah.
Thank you, yes. Wait, me or her?
You.
Both of us.
Oh, that's.
It's like a
Yeah.
it's like a coffin for the stuffed animal.
Yeah, show us the one.
You like it all? $3 for the whole thing?
Does it make noise?
Music and all? I said, I'm not taking anything this back in my house. So, take out what you don't like and throw them away? Or? Yeah, that's real frou-frou, like meditating music.
Okay. Like Indian flute music or something?
No, it's like meditating music.
Okay.
Frou-frou stuff.
Okay.
Well, that's for my mom because her feet were so swollen and they were still too small. So, we can Flying bug.
So darn majestic. I'd give you 20 for it.
20 for a $179 clock.
It's a $40 clock. Let's
Well,
start there.
I mean,
That's why it's 40 because it was $179.
you did say you didn't want to bring it in the house.
This is true.
Think how heavy it is, too.
Can you do that? Let me. You're a sales or a representative?
Yeah, I was in sales.
Yeah,
I was in
I can
sales,
tell.
Yeah. Yeah, you don't want to lift this and bring it all the way back in. It's really
I'm
quite
old,
heavy.
but I'm not that old.
Yeah, that's-
I mean, I just don't know how many other people are going to show up wanting that clock today. You got to think about that.
Why don't you take his number and then think about it at the end of the sale? Then. Thank you very
Let me
much.
see. Let me see if I. How about 25? That's $5 whole more.
Wow.
That's like a whole cup of coffee.
How about 30? Do 30 for it. I said if you look it up online, it's brand new, right out, $179.
27.
27. 27.50.
Quarters, I can check.
All right, let's do 27.50. And I'll
Hold
mooch-
on,
I'll mooch
27.25. Yeah.
There's a 27. We're trying to scrape
Oh,
together the
scrape
50.
Scrape together 50 cents. I mean, seriously.
You go. We got you like pennies? Wait, where's your quarter? You got your quarter? We got 25 here.
I got pennies.
Here. Got it.
It was worth the laugh.
Awesome. Thank you.
That's what I thought too.
That's good.
Majestic.
Have a good night.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
What is this?
I'm not sure. Like I said, I've got paperwork from the Coca-Cola company that
Oh, wait a
was,
minute. Let me see that.
I don't even know what any of it is.
Oh, these are just news articles.
Bumper stickers.
Stickers.
Bumper stickers. Pardon me?
To Alaska, aren't
No, actually, it's all from. I stepped up. Don't know. My mom collected all the Southwest stuff. She collected wool.
Okay,
Real wool, I have no idea.
he hasn't enjoyed it.
This entire package was filled with bumper stickers and uncut vending machine stickers from the late 60s from Coca-Cola. I put a total value of about $50 to $75 on this.
Once I'm in Alaska and Hawaii, I figured I've only got 5 more states to make all 50. So I gotta get busy.
Yeah,
What-
yes.
I gotta get busy, get those other 5
What,
states.
what would you want for the paperwork, like the stickers and this?
Oh, a couple dollars.
Let's see what I got. Just give me change for whatever you feel is reasonable. Guys, this is just a little preview of what's to come. I'll have some more videos of me going picking with the NC Picker. I also want to give special thanks to Dave, man. Thank you for having me down. I had a blast, and I can't wait to do it again. If you guys like this type of content, please make sure you like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And if you like yard sale hunting, check out this other video here. It's about to pop up on the screen. Till next time,